Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll show you how to set up, install, and run Jenkins, a continuous integration delivery environment on an Alibaba Cloud Elastic Compute Service Ubuntu instance. First, let's spin up an Alibaba Cloud ECS instance in our favorite region. Click through to the Elastic Compute Service product page. In your favorite region, click Create Instance. Select your basic configuration details. We picked the latest version of Ubuntu for our operating system. Then click Next Networking. On the networking page, make sure to assign a public IP address and open the HTTP and HTTPS ports in the security group for the instance. When you're ready, click through to System Configurations. In the System Configurations page, set a password for root access or a key pair. Leave grouping as it is and click through to Preview. On the Preview page, check all the ECS configuration details, agree to terms, and click Create Instance. You will see a success message. Click Back to Console. You will see your instance starting up on the Instances list. Make a note of the public IP. When the instance is up and running, you can access it via SSH and do the software installations from the terminal. Connect to your instance via SSH. Update the instance. Install Java 8. Check if you have installed Java Runtime Environment correctly. Now install the Java Development Kit. Make sure you've installed the Java Development Kit correctly. Now, update and upgrade your packages. Set the Java Home Environment variable. First, check the available paths. Next, open the environment file and add the path variable. Reload the file to apply the changes. Check if the variable is set correctly. Update the installation for good measure. Now we're ready to install Jenkins. We'll add a firewall to the instance, enable it, and check if the firewall is active. First, add the repository key to the packages. Append the Debian package repository address to the instance's sources.list. Now, update and install Jenkins. Let's start the Jenkins service and check its status. By default, Jenkins runs on port 8080. Open the port with UFW and check the status. Check Jenkins logs. Open port 8080 in the security group for the instance. Restart the instance. Once the instance is running again, you will be able to access Jenkins via the public IP and port 8080. Go to a browser window and input the following: public IP address :8080. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up Jenkins. Find the administrator password and enter it. We'll install the suggested plugins. You will see details of the plugin installation process. When completed, you'll be asked to set up a Jenkins user, but you can continue as admin. Now save the Jenkins URL. You can now start using Jenkins. If you see a blank screen, restart Jenkins. You can log in and start creating jobs. Go ahead and set up your project's releases to be managed by Jenkins. You now know how to set up, install, and run Jenkins on an Alibaba Cloud Elastic Compute Service Ubuntu instance. Thanks for watching.